Every year, India celebrates National Education Day on November 11 to commemorate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first Union Education Minister of India. A freedom fighter, scholar, and eminent educationist, Maulana Azad was a key architect of independent India who was responsible for setting up apex education bodies like UGC and AICTE. Central government, with a resolution on September 11, 2008, declared November 11 to be celebrated as National Education Day. On National Education Day, India remembers the contributions of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad to nation's building. Maulana Azad laid the base of higher education and also the foundations for scientific and technological research. He also established Indian First Institute of Technology, that is IIT Kharagpur. Apart from IIT Kharagpur, UGC and AICTE, he was also responsible for setting up Lalit Kala Academy, Sahitya Academy, Sangeet Natak Academy, etc. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was posthumously awarded Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 1992. National Education Day is thus a tribute to all the great contributions made by Maulana Abul Kalam Azad in the field of education system of independent India.
आप सभी को शिक्षा दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैं आज आपके सामने शिक्षा दिवस पर एक कविता पेश करने जा रही हूँ जिसका नाम है शिक्षा। बहुत जरूरी होती शिक्षा, बहुत जरूरी होती शिक्षा, सारे अवगुण धोती शिक्षा। चाहे जितना भी हम पढ़ लें, कभी न पूरी होती शिक्षा। शिक्षा पाकर ही बनते हैं नेता, अफसर, शिक्षक। कर्तव्यों का बोध कराती, अधिकारों का ज्ञान, शिक्षा से ही मिल सकता है सर्वोपरि सम्मान। बुद्धिहीन को बुद्धि देती, बुद्धिहीन को बुद्धि देती, अज्ञानी को ज्ञान। शिक्षा से ही बन सकता है हमारा देश महान। धन्यवाद।
We must not for a moment forget that it is the birthright of every individual to receive at least the basic education, without which he cannot discharge his duties fully as a good citizen. These were the famous words of the great personality Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, our first education minister of independent India. In India, we love to celebrate the days of our heroes of past. Among such heroes, there is a special mention for those who sacrificed their life, their blood, their sweat, their care, and their flesh for our independence and for the construction of our modern India. One such luminary is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. We celebrate National Education Day on 11th of November every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad and to honor the work of his life and his legacy, and for recalling his contribution to the cause of education in India since 2008, without declaring this day as a holiday. Happy National Education Day.
As we all know, education plays a very vital role in everyone's life. A person's development can only done by education. Education is to lead out, to nourish the child and make out of the best of him. So, how to train, how to make good of the children and skills are only because of education. If we are educated persons, then the development of our nation is definitely be done. But if there is no education, then nothing can be done. An educated person is that person who know how to deal with others, how to behave in a particular situation. So education plays a very important role in everyone's life. Without education we are nothing. So in the end, I only want to wish you on 11th November, that was National Education Day, I wish you very happy National Education Day, because if education is there, then development of us as well as development of nation will be taken place. Thank you.